In this video, we'll show you how to connect LeadPages with Zapier to streamline your workflows and automate your marketing tasks. If you're trying to integrate your landing pages with other apps but don't know where to start, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up and why it might not be your best option for automation. First things first, let's dive into the setup. To get started, you'll need both a LeadPages account and a Zapier account. LeadPages is great for building landing pages, and Zapier helps you automate tasks by connecting different apps. The first thing you'll need to do is log into Zapier, then click Make a Zap to create a new workflow. It's as simple as clicking a button. Next thing, in the Trigger section, search for LeadPages in the apps directory and select it. This is where you tell Zapier what action from LeadPages should trigger your automation. For example, you might want to trigger an email to your customer every time they submit a form on your landing page. Choose the New Form Submission option. Now, you'll connect your LeadPages account to Zapier. To do this, just click the Connect button and follow the prompts to sign in to your LeadPages account. Make sure you're logged into your account and allow Zapier to access the data. This is the most important step because without this connection, your automation won't work. Once you've connected LeadPages, it's time to test the trigger to ensure it's working. You'll need to submit a test form through one of your landing pages so that Zapier can pull in the data and verify the integration. If everything looks good, you'll see your test submission in Zapier. Next, we'll set up the action step. This is where you choose what happens after your LeadPages trigger takes place. You might choose to send the data to an email platform like MailChimp or to your CRM. Zapier has thousands of apps to choose from, so the possibilities are endless. The fourth thing is customization. You can customize the data that gets sent over to your action app. For example, if you're sending form submissions to an email platform, you can map each field from your LeadPages form to the corresponding fields in the email tool. This ensures that all the data gets passed over in the right format. After setting everything up, you'll want to test your Zap to make sure it's functioning correctly. Zapier allows you to test the action to ensure that data flows from LeadPages to your selected app as intended. If the test works, you're good to go. Finally, you'll click Turn on Zap to enable the automation to run in the background. Now, while Zapier and LeadPages work well together, there are some drawbacks. For starters, Zapier's free plan only allows for a limited number of tasks per month, so if you have a lot of leads coming through, you might quickly hit those limits. Plus, Zapier can sometimes have a delay in processing triggers, especially with high-volume landing pages. This is why I'm also recommending some alternatives to LeadPages with Zapier integration. While LeadPages is a solid option for landing pages, other platforms like ConvertKit or even ActiveCampaign might be better suited for automating lead management and email workflows at scale. They come with built-in automation tools that integrate directly with your landing pages, so you won't have to rely on third-party services like Zapier. They also offer strong free trials, allowing you to test before fully committing. So, for those looking to get the most out of their marketing automation, while LeadPages is a great tool for landing pages, using a more robust tool for full automation might be the better choice. Finally, before you go, I've got something special for you. The link below gives you exclusive access to an extended free trial of LeadPages. Plus, we've included some amazing alternatives with their own free trials that might be better suited to your automation goals. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So make sure to check it out. That's all for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.